Welcome to the BDQtopia video editing tutorial. Today we will learn how to create a cinematic text zoom introduction using Filmora. So, let's dive in and get started with the tutorial. Add a black solid from the stock media. Go to the Title tab, and add a simple title. Change the font. You can use any font, but better to use bold condensed font. Change the text. Increase font size. Set the position in the middle. Take a snapshot of the text. Remove everything and add the snapshot to the timeline. Set the duration of the snapshot to 2 seconds. Click on the crop button. Select the pen and zoom tools. Select the inner red part. Make it as small as possible. Ensure that the center of the zoom is positioned within the white area. Move the playhead at the end of the video. Take another snapshot, and add the new snapshot to the timeline. Set the duration of the new snapshot to 1 second. Select the second snapshot and click on the Crop Tool button. Select the inner red part, and reduce the size. Only the white area will be covered in the selection. Black color will not be included. Move the playhead at the end of the timeline. If any black part shows on the screen, then you have to need change the pen and zoom again. Now add a video to the timeline. Select the first snapshot, and change the blend mode to multiply. Again, select the second snapshot, and change the blend mode to multiply. That's all from this tutorial. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more amazing tutorials.